Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning this messy kitchen. I have not cleaned it for like 3 days. We have been so busy, and then I'm just organizing that cupboard right now. We have changed our sink filter for our clean water, filtered water. So it was such a huge mess over there. And it just sometimes it adds up so quickly, and it's just so hard to even find motivation to clean the kitchen. If you hate cleaning your kitchen, please like this video. So I know that I'm not the only one who doesn't like it, but one thing I have been implementing lately and has worked or helped me or be more organized in the kitchen lately is having like my own duty. Like, I am responsible for the sink. That's my job. If something is in the sink, I'm the one putting it in a dishwasher or washing it. And I think that just when you're married, sometimes you think, oh, maybe my husband will do it, or he got this out, he has to put in a dishwasher. And sometimes, it just, brings up arguments, and it's like unnecessary. So I decided, I've told him, I'm like, okay, if you want me to have like a decent kitchen, just make sure the dishes are in the sink for me to clean. If they're not in the sink, like, at least his duty is to get it off the dining room table to in the sink, and this way it will be keeping the kitchen more organized and like faster to clean, because sometimes it's so overwhelming, and I'm sure you've been there. It's just, you look at the like huge piles and piles and piles, you don't know where to start or how to organize it. I've been here, I'm doing this right now, and I hear you. I'm definitely here with you too if you have struggles cleaning it and keeping it clean. Also, please go ahead and comment below if you have any tips of just keeping the counters clean. I mean like organized and not piling things up. I just feel like sometimes it's just so crazy, and I don't know how it all like piles up on one counter. I just love my counters completely clean, nothing on them, and even like the decor, I try to keep it to the minimum. It just makes me so much more happy and more satisfied when I see my kitchen clean and organized. But for now, just enjoy the rest. I'm almost done with everything, and I'm very happy with the progress. It took less than I thought it would, so I'm a very happy person. And it was probably at this point 1 or 2 a.m. I was like, I have to finish this. So that's the struggles.